Hello everyone and welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner, where love cooks. If you're new here, I want to welcome you. Thank you so much for stopping by, but please do not leave without hitting that subscribe button and also turning the post notification bell on so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Anyways guys, today I want to bring you in my kitchen where I'll be doing some stewed chicken. Yes, stewed chicken, not brown stewed chicken. There's a difference. Anyways guys, let's go and cook some stewed chicken the Jamaican way, always. So guys, let's get down to business. So here in this pan is the chicken that I went ahead and I cleaned up and washed with vinegar and is ready to be seasoned. So guys, here on this cutting board are all of the ingredients that I will be using in the stewed chicken. So guys, in this bowl I have Mrs. Dash table blend and also herbs and spices, all-purpose Maggie seasoning, and Badia Complete seasoning. And so guys, now we're ready to combine all these ingredients onto the chicken. So now guys, I'm just gonna slip this glove on one of my hand, which will be the hand that I'll be rubbing the seasoning onto the chicken. And you will see guys, just follow along. Oops guys, I almost forget a pinch of salt. Yes, you need a pinch of salt. That's more than a pinch anyways. So now I'm using my scotch bonnet pepper sauce to add flavor as usual. And guys, let's talk about the boss of the day, which is the browning. This you'll need to bring the color to the chicken. This will give the chicken that brown look. So guys, let's pour some into that. And what I normally do, I use it to my desire because I like my chicken with, you know, yeah, that brown look. And so as you can see, I have a whole pepper in my hand. I'm just gonna cut a little piece of this pepper. This pepper is very hot. We have to be very careful when using this pepper. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece, as you can see right there. Oops, fell. So I'm gonna have to get a new piece, guys. So all the ingredients is in, and so I'm gonna rub all of that into this beautiful chicken. So guys, as I mentioned before that I use the browning to my desire. The chicken is not the color that I wanted, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit more of the brown in my palm and just distribute it onto the chicken. So guys, now that I'm through with the seasoning and all of that, I'm gonna leave the chicken to marinate for 1 hour exact. Then I'll be back to put this chicken in the pot and onto the stove. So guys, word of advice, don't you touch that dial. I will be right back. And I'm back like that, guys. So as you can see here on the left is the pot and the oil is ready, guys. So now I'm gonna just transfer the chicken to the pot. So guys, it's approximately 7 minutes since I left the chicken and I came back and look at this. Guys, the chicken basically made its own water. So what I'm doing with my spoon is just to, give it a little turn over. So guys, I'm here for the second time and now I'm back to check to see the water level in the pot, if I should add some water or it's fine. And as you can see, the water is fine. Guys, I do not need to add no water. If that was the case, I would have go ahead and add some hot water to this pot. And so what I'm gonna do now is to add a spoon full of ketchup, and this is the spoon that I'm using. So a full spoon of ketchup, just like that. I'm just gonna distribute it in the pot. Ketchup will also help in the thickening of the gravy. And so guys, third and final, I'm here to check to see what's really going on here, if I should add any water. Plainly guys, you see I didn't add no water. I don't need to add no water to this pot. The chicken has made its own gravy and this is perfect. This is the right way you stew chicken. Guys, make sure to tell me what you think. Please leave a comment. And there you have it guys, stewed chicken garnished with 3 different color bell peppers. And so guys, you can have this stewed chicken with whatever choice of food you like. So guys, if you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up, share this video on your WhatsApp wall, your Twitter page, Instagram, Facebook. Guys, share it all over. Please tell a family member about Sophie's Cooking Corner. Here on the side, I went ahead and prepared some white rice, and that is surrounded by mixed vegetable. Anyways guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn the post notification bell on so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Leave a comment guys, I want to know how I did. And until then, I will see you in my next video. May God continue to bless you all richly. In Yeshua's name, bye bye.